Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a solution to the Uno problem that that I had seen on Rick's video. So basically what I did was I described the situation in a circular cube, which is something that we have in computer science for computer science majors. But nonetheless, it's a circular cube. But basically these little slots, we call them cues, and inside these cues we have these values, and in which case they represent, as you very well know, the values on the Uno cards that you would see there. Okay, so what I did in this one was that I don't have colors, so I just labeled the letter on top of the Q to represent what color it is. So Rick says that in the beginning you have to put your finger on either a red or green card. So in this case you would pick one of the ones that have a red or green. This is the blue 9 that comes out to be the final value, the value that you would want it to be chosen as. But what's it called? So this is what I'm gonna assign this Q. We call these indexes. So I'm gonna assign this index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, 3, etc. Okay, so for here, for example, right, we have, this would be, okay, let me actually fill this out for you guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the maximum value would be what's it called, 11, and you would start from 0. So if you're here at green, okay, you would add 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and you would land on the 9. Then he says count 9. Okay, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you would land here. If you do the same with this one, it'll be the same. It'll be 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You would land here, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You would always land on this blue green, as I'm well aware that all of you guys know. But there is some reasoning behind this. So if we look at the red, for example, number 7 over here, which is right, this one. So its index is 1, okay? The red has a value of 7. So if we move 7, we're going to land 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, okay? Now the value inside here is 4. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. So that would mean from this position that we would be moving 11 spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As you see, because the 11 is here, if you add one more, because we were here, it had a value of 1. If you add 11 plus 1, you would get 12, but there is no 12. The continuation of 11 would normally be 12, but since this is a circular cube, you make a circle and your next value would be 0. So ultimately, when you add anything up to 12, you would be reaching 0, which would be the card that he guessed would be the card that you would pick. Again, for this one, you would get another example. Similarly, here you have 8. Okay, so 8 would be, sorry guys, that's a motorcycle. So here you have a value of 8. Okay, so we would move 8. So I'm just going to be guessing right now, and you'll see that, well, let me show you. Okay, so 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2, 1, 2. What's 8 plus 2? 10. What's the index? 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, and 12 is actually 0. This is actually in mathematics what we call the modulus. Once we get that's for another video. Okay, sorry guys. So here's 6. Now let's say we've picked this one, 6. We would move 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We land on 2. Now we had the 6, the value of 6, plus the value of 2, plus the index in which we started. So the index was 6, so plus 4. So this is 6 plus 6 is 12. And you'll get that for all of them. Here, 3. What's the index? 6. Plus the value of the Q, 3. You move 3, 1, 2, 3. you'll get 4. So plus 4. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4. Sorry, I know I made a mistake there somewhere. Let me see. Oh, sorry, that's a 5. My handwriting is horrible. That's a 5. This is 3. And this is supposed to be 5. So in total, you'll get 12. Anyways, guys, peace.